Alright, top of the morning. Today we're adding, I think, 10 Plenum CAT6 cables in a surgery center here bright and early. Merry Christmas Eve. So we're running from here. Oof, this is a mess. Out to here. We got 4 drops going there, 4 drops going in there, and another couple drops going on the other side of the wall. So we're gonna get our boxes marked up, and then we're gonna walk these out and then walk another set out with it, because we only got 4 boxes and we want to run it all at once. So let's get it marked up. Alright, so we're getting it fed. It's going to go through that corner, out into the hallway, and down into that office area. Alright, so we got our length walked out here, and we're going to get into this room now. Alright, so we got everything run. We got our 4 that are going to drop there. We got another 4 that are going to drop down there. We got to drill a hole through to get that down. We're going to come in here. We got 1 run for here, and we got this one dropped already in this existing plate. Alright, and here we got our fire putty sheets. Alright, so we got our fire putty here. Alright, so we got our 4 there, 4 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Alright, so we got everything walked out. Our sticks are through. There's the head. We're going to pull all this out and make it as neat as we possibly can to bring it into here. I mean, it's a little bit of a mess, but you'll see the difference in this and our work. Alright, so this is our bundle coming out, making it as neat as possible. J-hooks up, 1-inch J-hooks coming across. Christian's going to get it dressed down here, and then we're going to terminate down there in that unloaded panel.